Hello viewers, welcome to Travel Explore. Narsipatnam Waterfalls. In this video, we exploring famous two waterfalls near Narsipatnam, that are Dharmamattam Waterfalls and Valsampeta Waterfalls. In between these waterfalls, Alluri Sita Ramaraju Park is there. These are best picnic spots for tourists. These three spots can be seen together in a one-day tour. Location for these waterfalls. These waterfalls are located at around 30 kilometers from Narsipatnam in Visakhapatnam district in Andhra Pradesh. These three spots are at west side of Narsipatnam. Valsampeta Waterfalls. This waterfalls is 32 kilometers from Narsipatnam city. The waterfall attracts a lot of tourists due to its pleasant climate and the surrounding hills. But this is little bit dangerous for bathing in this waterfall. So do not risk trying to bath here. Best avoid bath in this waterfall. Dharmamattam Waterfalls. This waterfalls is 21 kilometers from Narsipatnam city. These steep waterfalls are quite impressive to the visitors. Surrounded by hills and gardens, the waterfalls are cool throughout. People come here from far and have banabhujana like picnic at surrounding gardens in Kartik Masam season. Here situate a Lord Shiva temple. It attracts large number of devotees during Kartik Masam festival season. Alluri Sita Ramaraju Park. The park is a resting place of the great Indian freedom fighter Alluri Sita Ramaraju. This park lies near 2 kilometers from Krishna Devipeta village. It is 28 kilometers from Narsipatnam. Alluri Sita Ramaraju tomb is located in this park. This park is on the way from Valsampeta Waterfall to Dharmamattam Waterfall. How to reach? These waterfalls are about 30 kilometers from Narsipatnam. Auto rickshaws and taxis are available from Narsipatnam to reach these waterfalls. There are several buses available from Visakhapatnam city to reach Narsipatnam. The nearest railway station is Narsipatnam Road. It is 30 kilometers from Narsipatnam. But the best way railway station to reach here is Anakapalli railway station, because more buses and autos are available from Anakapalli to reach Narsipatnam. And Anakapalli is also the station where most trains stop. Entry fee. Entry fee is free for all these three spots. Attractions. Waterfalls, Shiva temple, gardens and parks. Best for students, youth, picnic gatherings, nature lovers and who likes to visit the waterfall. Best time to visit. October to December is the best time to visit. Most of the people visit here in Kartik Masam festival season. That comes in November month. After Corona, definitely visit these waterfalls. When you came Vizag and also Vizag people, you will definitely get a better feel. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe this channel for more travel destinations. Thank you for watching.